coined this as the rise in the fourth industrial revolution, which is the rise of social media and mobile devices. How has that changed telecommunication industry?
Three things have changed. The very first one is the over-the-top service provider. They have been able to cannibalize telco basic revenue with regards to voice and data. Second is about the 5G. It is here today, it's available, and hence telco need to revisit their capex spent and to be able to move into 5G investments. And lastly is about content. How do you capture the hearts of the consumer? It's about the content that you can offer to them. What kind of content that they need to create to be able to build the kind of stickiness with the consumer?
In the space of over the top, we have seen how telco has been disintermediated by the likes of Google, Apple, which are fronting customers. But there's so much spoken about how technology is changing, moving from 4G to 5G. Tell us more about that.
The interesting thing about the 5G is that it's going to create a whole new experience for the consumer. If you look at 3G itself, just to download a 2-hour movie, you'll find that it takes about 26 hours. When you move into 4G, it has actually quickened so much into 6 minutes download time. But when we talk about 5G, it's only take about a couple of seconds.
In fact, and this we have seen reports showing that what it means in the 5G world is that 4G, the response time is still slower than the human being. At 5G, it will be same speed as a human being. So we will see the autonomous of things slowly evolving out into the space. But we have to wait. A lot of the discussion has been on the negative or the challenges expect. Content ownership, is this something new that will give a new value for telco industries?
I think there are three things that telcos can move towards. There is leveraging on their strengths in terms of the connectivity assets that they have today to provide the kind of environment for them to operate in. Second, it is about their data. What kind of telco data that can be used to be able to precisely target for the purpose of consumer in terms of products and marketings. And lastly, it is about the customer base. This is the customer base that has been with the telco for so long through their life cycles, and telco does have the value to be able to leverage and take advantage.
We spoke quite at length about the challenges as well as the changes in the vertical space of telcos, but we are also seeing cross-sector collaboration between telcos and other industry players, whether it's banks or is it malls. In fact, this is not just about telco, because in the new world with the blurring of lines, the cross-sector collaboration becomes critical. We mentioned just now, telco has unique advantage in terms of connectivity, customer base. And I think one of the space that we have not fully explored is data and the analytics. Telco has unique data, footfall data, geolocation data. And we have seen collaboration in other space like e-wallet, marketplace, understanding of consumer through the footfall data. That has not been fully exhausted. So we are going to see more of this. What we can only say is that they are moving in the right direction. This is not unique in terms of cross-sector collaboration. It's happening across every single industry. Every industry has to see how they can partner cross-sectors players to go into the market together. To find out about the future of telcos and how it may impact you, please download our full report.